just want to talk about some of the things we talked last night. So basically this morning I'm just looking towards XELA. Most probably you know why I love this particular stock. So XELA is doing really good. Pre-market it is high, and so many lines here. I'm gonna get rid of all the lines. But the thing is, in last night video I talked about XELA, that the blue line, this one, it is continuing upward. As long the momentum is continuing, it is good. The price can come down and touch the blue line here, but the pre-market looks good. Also this blue line here, that was the thing I said, if it goes up it will go higher. So if I turn on the after hours and pre-market, the blue bar here is the pre-market, and I'm showing you on a 5-minute chart. So let's see what's happening. So you can see that the pre-market, it broke through the lines and above these 4.3 area, so it came down, went up all the way to 5, came down, and currently battling. The thing is, if it stays over $5, I think it will go towards 5.25, and after that 5.4 would be the resistance. Otherwise, if 5 can be broken, this thing can come back. This thing can come back all the way to 4.7 and everything. So again, another one. Yesterday XELA went 42%. It was a very good day, and again I'm expecting a big move today. The pre-market looking really nice, and you can see that it has been going up again. Hopefully it will stay over 5, then it will just cross 5.25, 5.4 and everything. I'm using another computer, so I need to check. Devin, XELA, yes. Thanks for joining. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. We also have a community where I talk about. So you can see that in the community tab, there is the option join. You can always join. You pay $3 per month, and you can get member specific post. Some other things I want to talk. Yeah, so the other thing is ATOS, and also I talked about it last night, and ATOS is pre-market. It is doing really good. So on the pre-market, you can see these are the lines. Wow, after my post it is even doing better. So I was eyeing on 6.8 this resistance, and you can see currently it is at 6.94. so hopefully it will run towards 7.2 or 7.7. and why I'm saying, you look here, because it dropped a lot from 7.2, it dropped all the way to 6.8. So 6.8 is a very important resistance, and pre-market we are up. If the momentum is continuing, I think this will easily go towards 7.3 and 7.7, another banger. Then the other one is CVA. What I found, this is the news from this morning, that CVA, they will be acquired for 20.25 per share. So basically 20.25 per share. And when I looked at the chart, so basically the pre-market, they are sitting at 19.89. Yeah, it is very close to 20.25. But again, if there is a drop, you can get in, because if the ultimate target is 20.25, then yeah, it will be sold at 20.25. Yesterday it closed at 18.5, but after the news it went up. The other one is VLDR. So they also came up with the news this morning that Velodyne LiDAR partners with NVIDIA. That's a good news, right? So after the news it went up, and I have drawn some pictures, because VLDR came down a lot and it found a floor around $9 area, right? $9 area, and it has been coming down, making lower highs. And the important thing is, even though it is a pre-market, can we break through this 10.5 area? If 10.5 is broken, I think it will go upward, then it will have 11.3, 11.9, 12. Otherwise it can come down and retest the $9 area. And why 9 is important, let's see on a daily chart here. You can see that it never came that low, $9. So it bounced from $9 twice, and if it comes back to 9 again, this is the bottom support. So hopefully if you want, you can get in, and this is the LiDAR technology, and for electric vehicle it will be used. Let's see if someone is asking, hi Tanvir, did you already talk about DTSS? And not yet. DTSS, let me have a quick look. I will close it in few minutes, because I do not want to continue this for a long time. DTSS, oh wow, so there is no recent PR for DTSS, but seems like it has a huge volume. Then yesterday was undecided, and we do not know what's gonna happen. Tanvir, is there any PR? Oh wow, So pre-market it is high. You can see two big bar on an hourly candle, and it is sitting at $6. This is interesting. Let me see. Okay, I'm just looking at the pre-market support resistance. It seems like this thing can run. Is there any PR or anything? I don't know, but it comes in a wave. It goes up, comes down, takes time, goes up, comes down. Very volatile. I do not know is there any PR or anything, but seems like this thing has gone through the 5.7 territory, so currently sitting around 6 area. So hopefully if it can break to 7.4, it can run hard. And I have no idea, but seems like there are lots of gap, lots of volumes are coming. So if it comes down, maybe 5.7 would be an area to test. If this is intact, I think this can go towards 7.43, because if you see the chart between this line and between this, there is no resistance actually. Like this thing goes, but very volatile. You never know what can happen. 5.36, I see some lines here, and 6.5, yeah. But if you're playing with this, do not hold, use a trailing stop loss. If you're in profit, just get in, get out, because if it goes up, it comes down the very next day. No news on DTAs. Yeah, but it's a volatile, just play with it. So anyway, if you are new here, subscribe, at least hit a like button, and if you do not know anything, then just join the community. We have a community here. You can always join the community, and you have to pay only $3 per month, 10 cents per day, and you will get member specific content each morning. Anyway, let's look at AMC, because we have been talking a lot about AMC, and AMC is sitting at a very crucial level. And why? Because 38 is the level. 38 is the level. You can see that 38.5, 38, it has been tested many times, 1 2 3 times, and we came below 38 after hours yesterday, and pre-market we are trying to go up. We have to stay around 38 area. My average is over 38. I might add at 38, but I'm still thinking, should I? Because if 38 is broken, this thing can fall down. Otherwise, if 38 is intact, I think this thing will go higher. If 38 is broken, what's the next level? I think the next level would be around 36, 35 area. You see these bars here around 35.5, 35.5, then we will have 31, and then we will have 27. So I'm just waiting. If 38 is broken, maybe I will get in around 35 or 30, but I feel if 38 is intact, I think this thing will go up again. And if you believe you are an ape, then definitely hold. At one time it will have, because the shorts they are holding, and it's like a ticking time bomb. So yeah, we have 9 viewers, and I just came suddenly. So offloader, great morning. Freeloader, there was a huge buy last night over 500k for AMC. 500k, wow. After hours, okay. Hi Krishna, hi, good morning. Can you please do wish and CLOV? Yes, I'm doing. And whoever is showing green sign, they are the members here, and they always have the member specific content. If you're new here, you can consider being a member, because it costs only $3 per month, 10 cents per day, just even less than a coffee for the entire month. And you get each morning trade ideas with support, resistance, and everything. And soon I will change my plan, because now it's a $3 per month. I'm planning to go to $5 per month, because the amount of time I'm spending, I think I need to get more. YouTube take 30% from my profit, so if it is $3, I get only $2. So I'm just thinking to change it. But if you join early, I think you will be in a good position. So anyway, let's look at CLOV. So CLOV has been doing really good. Not doing really good, I should say. It is doing good, holding the $9 floor. And yeah, from 9 it goes to 10. So as long it is moving between 9 and 10, I think this is good. This is some kind of consolidation, because if 9 is broken, CLOV can come all the way to $7. So my average of CLOV is around 10, 11, not 11, 12 area. And I'm just waiting patiently. If I see that it is moving between 9 and 10, maybe I will just add a little bit around $9. But if 9 is broken, this thing can come to 7. And again, CLOV can give you short squeeze. Suddenly it moves from $9 to $10. It can move from 10 to 11. Anything can happen. I'm still holding for CLOV, but watch the price action. From now it can again go from $9 to $10. If you want a swing trade, maybe you can establish a position, but also be careful. If 9 is broken, this thing can come towards all the way to $7. And Wish, yes, we love Wish. And the only thing I want to say, I have been talking about Wish so many times that 10 is a very important floor for Wish, because if you look at the chart here, so it came before the short squeeze, it came from 11.33 to 10, then came back all the way to 7.66. It broke through that 10, then it came down again after the squeeze. It bounced up from $10, and for last few days it has been bouncing from 10.4 area. You see, one bounce, two bounce, three bounce, four bounce. So if it can bounce again, very good thing. If 10.4 is broken, this thing can come and bounce from $10 again. So up to me, 10 is a good price, because the average price target in Nasdaq for Wish is around $18, I guess. So it is a long-term hold, and it's a good stock. If you're holding, there is nothing to worry. But so far it has been coming down. So if you want, just wait. There is lots of correction fear, and people are selling. Yesterday we saw a red market. So if you want, just wait. Let's wait for this to come to $10, and if 10 is broken, maybe it can come down even $9. So just wait. Otherwise, just hold, because I'm holding my shares around $12. I am not averaging down. I'm just waiting to see what's happening. It's 9:27. I think we should close within 1 hour between 4 and 5 p.m. Wow. How much do you think XELA could go? Definitely XELA, I'm eyeing towards 5.4, which was yesterday's high, currently at 5.11. Don't forget the time I started the live, it was below 5. It has been going up. So XELA can run a lot. It's very hard to say this kind of penny stock what will be the price target, and every day it goes up and down. If you notice, it goes 30-40%, it comes down. So you have to day trade if you want to protect your profit, or use trailing stop loss using 3 or 5%. So whenever it comes down, it will be sold automatically and you will just lock your profit. But for XELA, if you get in early, use a trailing stop loss and protect your money. But definitely, we do not know, because I can't say at what point it will stop. Is there a long game with CLOV? CLOV is definitely a good one, because if it's a long-term hold, you can always hold. CLOV is a good one, so definitely it can go to 15 at least. Do not worry about that. Same question regarding CLOV. Is that a long game with CLOV? Yeah, CLOV is something. They are doing something good. They are coming with PR. The only thing is the shorts. They are playing with CLOV, so they are keeping it down. And when there is manipulation, sometimes a great stock, they can come down. That's the only problem. So you can average down for CLOV, but I would say do not rush. Do not rush. Just wait, because yesterday the market was red. Today can be red. So you might get a deep buying opportunity. Anyway, hit the like button. I'm gonna leave soon, because it's the market hour is 9:28. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. At the same time, join the community if you want. It's only $3 per month, and you will get member specific posts. So I'm betting towards XELA. I'm betting towards ATOS. ATOS has been doing good. 6.8 is an important level. Then I had CVA. It's very close. 20.25 is the area. Then Wish, we have VLDR, so many things. Anyway, watch the market carefully. Do not rush. Do not FOMO. You will get opportunity each and every time. Workhorse, yeah, Workhorse is another one. It goes up and down. We made a lot of money Workhorse when it went to 18. I got out, but Workhorse can come down really. You can see there is a gap here between 12.5 and 11.4, and currently Workhorse is sitting around 12.1 area. This can come down. This thing can come down all the way to 11.5. I'm not playing Workhorse, because these are the ones it can have a short squeeze, it can go up, then again it can come down. Very risky. And yeah, personally I'm not touching Workhorse at this moment. It might come down a lot. If there is a correction or more shorts, it can come down. It is sitting at 12.2, very important area, because 12.2, you see here, it was a support here, support here. So very important area, but if the support is broken, this thing can come down to 11.5 or even $10. I'm not touching Workhorse. unless it comes to 10, 6, 7 area. You see it came to 7, from 7 it went to 18. So at a $7, definitely this is a great stock to buy. So again, I'm not touching for now. Could you please analyze AABB? Oh yeah, lightning jot. I know about AABB because you mentioned it previously. Oh, it's 9:30. 9:30. The trading hour is started. Should we continue? Because look at XELA. What's happening? Look at XELA. How angry it is. 5.19, 5.21. So XELA have a resistance at 5.25. It is broken. XELA will go to 5.4. So exciting. So exciting. Look at ATOS coming down. And I'm just eyeing on XELA. You see 5.25 is broken, 5.28. Excellent. Okay, let's look at AABB. There is nothing exciting. The only thing I see, it has a floor around AABB, floor around 0.1, and it has been tested few times. Is there any PR or anything exciting for AABB? Because I don't see anything exciting. The only thing is it might break out the pattern, but seems like it might come back to 0.1 again, retest 0.1. If 0.1 is broken, this will come towards 0.06. So 10 cent is broken, it will come to 6 cent. Otherwise, it can bounce back, and if it goes over the blue line, I think then you can say the downward trend has been broken. Otherwise, no. And if it broken, it has to break 15 cent area, then it has to break around 22. This is the upward side, right? But again, if you are not in, just wait for this to see if 10 is intact, because if 10 cent is not intact, it can come down to 6 cent. Be careful. Still no sign of recovery yet. Look at XELA. Wow, 5.35, 5.35. This is the one, it has been making really good. So yeah, 5.35. Look for 5.4 break. If 5.4 is broken, this thing will just run and run. It has a short interest of 30%, so definitely a big runner for us. Anyway, ATOS is also doing good. 6.8 is the point. It has to break 6.8, and the pre-market it was around $7. So again, 7 needs to be broken for the day traders. And let's see how many people we have. We have 11 people, 5 likes, and I should stop, I guess. Okay, so I think the market is started. We should stop. We should concentrate on our trade instead of the live. So I'm gonna close now. And if you're new here, subscribe. If you're not a member yet, I see few people like Krishna, Josh, Devin. If you are new here and you are not subscribed, or if you are not part of the community, join the community here. It costs only $3 per month. Join the tab here, become a member, and you will get member specific posts. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna close. Thank you for watching this particular one. XELA, yes, Mike, XELA, 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 we love XELA. Take care and have a nice trading day. Bye bye.